Alright, guys. It's currently 10:07 p.m. and I have my laptop and my hard drive, and the goal is to work on a few ideas and not really to post today, but I do want to get my ideas ready, per se. So I can set a posting schedule. I'm a little tired and kind of bored, to be honest, but it's going to help me out in the long run, I guess, just to do it and get it done and over with. I have started on here a folder with a list of ideas. Just gotta let this thing load. It does move kind of slow sometimes. But that's the whole idea, is to get it going. If I can get two or three decent ideas planned out and set up for just filming, all I have to do is wait for the time, be it a day off or if I have a short day at work. So I mean, it's a matter of time. Oh, excuse me. And I do have a dedicated space set up for my editing, but it's 16 degrees and that room is freezing. So I've decided to move just my laptop into the living room. so I can, you know, attempt to get some stuff done and not get hypothermia. Well, all right, guys. It's the next morning. I edited until I couldn't edit anymore, and I have woken up to. Let me show you here. You see that? It's already snowing pretty good out here. And if you notice the little line, where is it at? Well, it's right here on the car. I have a trickle charger built into my car to maintain the battery. It does have a history of dying on me. So, I'm not taking any chances. It is currently 9 degrees. And it's noon. I'm not for sure what the low is. Alright. Got my phone here. Okay. So the high today is supposed to be 13 degrees. And it's supposed to drop down to 11 tonight. So, I'm getting a full charge on the battery, getting it all warmed up, ready to go, just to be safe. So, okay. But so far this morning, I've downloaded yesterday's footage that I got. I'm really needing to finish cleaning. It's not that bad. But I mean, it's bad enough. Like right here, focus. Alright, so I have a few dishes here. And in the other room, I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, you got, clean that off. I got to clean the TV stand, which is a catch-all. My coffee table seems to catch a lot of things as well. And my upstairs, where's the lights? There we go. And my upstairs is a disaster. So, I'm taking this time while it's chilly weather, and I'm going to get some of it done today, but I do have to go into work tonight, so I know I'm not going to finish it all. So, I mean, yeah. And I did get the snow. Now I just have to set up a chute so I can at least knock that off my bucket list. Because I've always wanted to do a photo shoot in the snow. I've never really taken any pictures in the snow because I've never had anybody willing to pose for me. But I think this year, that's going to change. Excuse me. I have been switching it up a little bit. I got my coffee, but I have been using protein powder instead of creamer and sugar, trying to be more healthy. I've only been doing it for a few days now, so I'll let you know how it goes. I know it takes a few days to feel the effects. But I think it's going to be good for me. Well, that's a little update for now. I am going to try to edit a little bit, maybe like an hour or so, and then I want to go get a little bit cleaning done, and then I'll be getting ready for work because I don't know how the roads are, so I'm probably going to leave a little early today just to be safe. So I guess I will get to it, and I'll check back with you guys before I go to work, if not before. All right. Alright, guys. It is now 4 p.m., a little bit after 4. And I am attempting to make it to work. I'm in my car, and yeah, so we're gonna back it up. For sure. And looks like we're gonna make it. It's a little slick. If you don't have to get out, I don't recommend it. But right now, alright. So, I'm going to go down to the gas station. Get some food. Head up to work. We'll be there all night. And then I have to pray to God that I can make it home. Because I'm not for sure if the roads are even going to be slick tonight or not. I do have all-season tires. So I don't think that will be an issue. So I'm just taking it slow and easy. I need some de-icer. down here. Some food. Yeah. That's the only thing yet. You're not. Nobody over there. Yeah. Texas, huh? That's in the wrong spot. Go to work. Not even open. Whatever they are. Well, it looks like they're open. Let's see. All right. Oh, I'm about to drain my battery.